Tonight we're going to show you how to make an Amtgard short sword, and when we're done it's going to look pretty much like this. The materials you're going to need are foamy, like this, which you can get at Walmart in the arts and crafts department. You're going to need a length of fun-noodle, like the pool toy, and you can get this at Walmart and those pool stores, possibly some dollar stores. You're going to need a core. Now there are lots of different kinds of cores you can use, and you can use any core that is hollow and not wood or metal. Bamboo you can use, it's a grass, not wood. Carbon fiber, fiberglass, PVC pipe. Today we're going to be using a length of bamboo. You're going to need packing tape, the clear kind. What I did here is I took some fun noodle that didn't have a hole in it, and I took a couple pieces of tape, one like this and one like this on there, and then I started wrapping around, and I did about 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason I did that is it reinforces the tape holding the cap on, and it reinforces this part of the foam here, because that's where you're going to be hitting with most often. So it reinforces so the foam doesn't break down.